Hey, so before I start off the video, just note that the Amazon Prime Day sale is starting from 12th to 14th of July, and if you're interested in purchasing any of the gadgets that are shown in this video, this would be the best and the most amazing opportunity to save yourself a lot of money by getting some huge discounts from the manufacturers and even including the credit card discounts. So no matter which of the gadgets you are interested to buy, make sure you buy in the upcoming Amazon Prime Day sale. Let's start off with the video. So there are plenty of indoor security cameras available in India, and more specifically talking about the 1500 to 1600 rupee price range, the Cubo SmartCam 360 seems to be a very popular choice among many customers. So I thought, why not make a comparison video of the Cubo SmartCam 360 with two other cameras which come in the same price range and see why this camera is actually so popular and why this one stands out to be the top choice among the people who are interested in buying these cameras. So in this video, I'll be comparing the Cubo SmartCam 360 with the CP Plus E35A and the TP-Link Tapo C210. These two cameras come almost at the same price and almost provide the same features. I mean, if you do look at the features that are presented on the box. So let's quickly jump in and compare these two cameras with the Cubo SmartCam 360 and let's see which one comes on top. You're watching Gizmo Beep. Let's take a look. Starting off with the form factor, the TP-Link C210 is the biggest among these three and will take up more space on your desk compared to the rest of the two. Whereas the Cubo SmartCam 3K is the most compact among these three and will take very less space. All three cameras can shoot at a 1296p resolution, but there is a difference in terms of the storage space. The CP Plus gets a storage space of about 128 GB, the TP-Link Tapo gets about 256, whereas the Cubo SmartCam 360 gets about 1 TB worth of storage space, which means once you insert a 1 TB SD card, you get close to 6 months worth of footage without any deletion. So other two cameras can record maybe about 1 or 2 months. Cubo stands out with its near 6 month worth of storage. Another important aspect which sets the Cubo SmartCam 360 apart is that it has got monthly and yearly subscription plans which are more value for money compared to the subscription plans provided by CP Plus and the TP-Link Tapo. You get a monthly plan of 99 rupees per month for multiple devices and even a 999 per year for 4 devices, whereas in terms of TP-Link you get about 320 rupees per month per device, which can yearly add up to a cost of about 12,000 rupees for 4 devices. In the CP Plus, you get a plan of about 99 rupees per month per device. So overall, when you consider the subscription plan, the Cubo SmartCam 360 seems to offer a more value for money for the customer. Another important aspect to consider in the indoor security cameras is the motion detection alerts. Now, it's possible that you left the camera at home or your office and you want to have some level of notification, some level of alerts due to anybody crossing the camera. But what happens in the Cubo 360 is that this doesn't give you notification for every single time. This smartly assesses the motion and gives you like a notification or two after considering the movements in 10 minutes. Whereas in the TP-Link and the CP Plus, the notifications are kind of there, but they are constant, they are irritating and sometimes laggy as well. Based on my personal usage, I can say that the Cubo SmartCam 360 provided me a more real-time notifications and more smarter notifications compared to the other two. Another equally important aspect when it comes to using the indoor security camera is its app user interface and app usage. Now within these, I personally found the CP Plus app to be really not that good. The TP-Link Tapo app was kind of more better, but needed a bit more effort to understand what's really going on. But in terms of the Cubo app, the indications, the instructions and the app usage is pretty much straightforward. You don't have to have a very technical knowledge in order to use that particular app. So overall, in terms of the app usage and the app interface, the Cubo app does really stand out compared to the TP-Link and the CP Plus app. Another important aspect to consider regarding the cloud service is that the Cubo SmartCam's cloud-based service is totally safe and based in India. That is something which really builds trust, and of course having a brand backing of the Hero Group is a very reliable factor. Another critical aspect of any electronic device is its customer support. Whereas the TP-Link and the CP Plus do offer you a email service support and a call service support, Cubo additionally offers you a WhatsApp support as well, along with the response time being less than 5 minutes. Whereas considered with the TP-Link and the CP Plus, the response times can vary and can be much longer, which ideally is not a good thing. And since we were just speaking previously about the Cubo app, how good that is, another good thing that sets this particular app apart is that you can create a whole ecosystem out of this single app. Multiple Cubo devices which enable your home to become much smarter can be controlled via this single unified app. Whereas in the CP Plus and the TP-Link, it's not a whole ecosystem out there. You will need probably different apps for the different services or devices. The Cubo app unifies all that and gives you a total ecosystem experience. Last but not the least, Cubo also offers you a paid installation services. So just in case you're not a tech savvy person, you don't know how to set up this smart cam, you can always get in touch with the Cubo support and get their help in getting this device installed in your home or your office. So all these features aside, all these aspects about this indoor cameras aside, let's quickly jump on and take a look at the video quality comparison and see which camera actually provides you a more better video quality. Let's take a look. So here's the side-by-side comparison. On top you can see the Cubo Smart Cam, in the middle you have a CP Plus, and at the bottom you see the Tapo camera. All three cameras shoot in a 1296p resolution with varied bit rates and file sizes. Of course, but you can see that in terms of the facial clarity, in terms of the tone of my skin, the Cubo Smart Cam offers a more naturalistic look, whereas in the CP Plus my face is kind of a bit more darker, and in the TP-Link Tapo it's kind of more saturated and kind of looks much redder. So overall, I think in terms of capturing a more realistic and a more natural looking footage, the Cubo Smart Cam 360 does seem to offer a better performance over the other two cameras. So what do you think now? Well, I personally think that the Cubo Smart Cam 360 is a clear winner among these three cameras in terms of the video quality, in terms of the features provided, in terms of every single aspect which you can expect from your smart indoor cam, including the price point. The Cubo Smart Cam 360 should be your definite choice. And just in case if you're interested in purchasing this camera for your home or for your office, the purchase link is provided right down below in the description. Go ahead, click on it and get this camera for yourself to keep your home and your office safe. If you do have any queries or doubts regarding this particular camera, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in making the correct purchase decision, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who are looking for some budget indoor security cameras. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.